This is the first version of the front mudguard mount, made out of stainless. The guard's going to go in under it. There's going to be some pressed sections in here to give it some structural curve, and then the mudguard will, where are we, mount in and around there like that sort of area. So there's a test fit. Maybe it can go higher. I have a bit of room to add additional holes and then just lift it up. But looks the part, but not entirely convinced. I might need to do some more work on that. Oops, tilting it too far. What are your thoughts? It's the start. There's the test fit of the front mudguard. Pretty happy with that. Compared to the Montesa, I think it could probably come up another 10 mil, but we've got plenty of room in the bracketry to do that. My only concern is, no, that's going to be the same. The slot down the side, I probably need to open that up a little as well. Once that's creased, it should work. I've just started doing the mock-up so I can build the exhaust this week. That engine is the seized one out of the number 2 bike. It's never run, and I got it unseized, and a second compression ring was in 2 pieces. So I put it together without a second compression ring, but I probably won't start it. We'll see what options happen when the big bore kit arrives, so whether I use this one or the other one. But mocking it up, front mudguard mount is on. Everything in grey is just primer, so the bars are roughly in position. Mounting brackets have got primer on them, so the engine's on. Muffler's in position. Waiting on a bearing for the rear wheel, but so start doing the exhaust this week. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.